Good evening again, L3C Luxers. Tonight, we're gonna unbox again another orange box. So, di ba? Kakauwi lang natin from Tokyo kasi nga may appointment tayo kay Hermes this afternoon. So, syempre, pinuntahan agad. So, we're gonna unbox this. This is our 5th bag actually. Straight from the Hermes store. Will we open this one pa? Okay, so, this is actually my order. So, they called us kasi sabi nila, dumating na yung order mo na plate. Oh, kasi kulang nung isa yung the last time we bought this one. Kulang ng isa. So here, napa-order na lang ako ng isa. So dumating na siya. Pero ang tagal in fairness ha, ang tagal mag-order sa ng ano. See, another mosaic. Mosaic na round plate. Tama na to para kompleto na yung aking ganito. And then of course, wala na tayong nakuhang ano ang mga charm. This one, see? You can guess what's inside. O, sana magpapaano tayo, no? Pero sige, open na natin kasi I can't wait. Finally, ayan. So, what's this? Box. Malaking box siya. Fairness. Okay. Binigay sa atin this time. For our 5th box. See? This is of course comes complete. Yung pa raincoat niya, may pa raincoat na siya. Lindy. This one is our wait a minute. What is this? What is this? Sure. Ito yung handle niya. Obviously, alam niyo na ba kung ano ito? We have a Lindy 26. I think this is in Taurelion Clemens leather and gold hardware. O, diba? Ang pretty niya. And what color? This is not white. This is actually, we call this one? I forgot. Beton color. Ganyan siya. O, see? O, diba? Then the 26 siya. Mas mahilig ako sa gold kaysa sa silver. So, ganyan. What I love in sa Lindy kasi, it's spacious actually. For me, ang sabi ng SA namin, this one fits me. Kasi pag mini kasi, konti lang malalagay. This size is perfect. For my size also. Not so big and not so small. So, madami siyang malalagay, syempre. And actually, I was between two colors. Ako sa dalawang colors between black and white. Pero sabi niya kasi, eto kasi is medyo hindi ganun kadami ang production unlike the black one. So we got this instead of the black. So ayan, may Lindy na tayo straight from Hermes store. Syempre, thank you so much sa ating mga we're gonna show you sa ating mga available naman sila for sale. Gonna show you our 5 available na mga
4 only.
4 only. 4 na pala. Na pala yung isa. Okay, baka may gusto if you want brand new Hermes bag. Just PM us. PM us on our page, LTC Luxury Brand Shop online. And of course, si Habi, nag-start na siya ng YouTube. Gonna start our YouTube channel soon. Actually, nag-start na, no? So, please subscribe, like, and share, and follow. Also, our page, LTC Luxury Brand Shop online, and our YouTube channel, Claridon Madum. Okay, see you next time. Hopefully, the more unboxing of orange boxes and any luxury bags. Hopefully. God bless us all. That's all for tonight and bye-bye.